How to order items from AliExpress app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the AliExpress application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in order to order items from AliExpress, scroll through and select an item that you want to order. Now further, select the size, quantity, color, etc. of the item that you want to order. And finally, either tap on the Add to Cart button or the Buy Now button. I will tap on Buy Now. You will further be asked to enter your shipping address. So go ahead and enter the shipping address really carefully, as this step is really important. And once entered, enter any type of promo code or gift card code if you have, and if not, simply tap on the Place Order button, and with this your order will be placed. So, this is how you can order items from AliExpress app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.